Um, the challenges are common for I think all kind of testing, right? So the one common challenge that I have faced, right, and I have seen it is a norm in the industry. I mean, I don't have much experience, right? It's just 10 years. There are also experts who are more knowledgeable, right? But what I have seen that we have a very low QA to dev ratio in all the teams, right? In all the projects that I have been worked in, I have seen maximum to 1 QA to 5 developer ratio, right? And then QA will always have tight deadlines because throughout the sprint, QA will have very small amount of time to certify everything, do their regression testing, and there are a lot of pressure from stakeholders to sign off early, right? So that they can go to production early, right? So this is a very common challenge. And if we talk about ETL testing specifically, so challenges comes with the complexity in data, right? So to handle the diverse data sources and their format, suppose the data is coming from CSV file, it might be coming from RSS feed or streams of API, right? It can be comes from various type of databases. It can be NoSQL, MongoDB, or maybe MS SQL, right? So to handle those different data sources, to create a standard process that can fit in all that, right? That is a bit complex and can be challenging, right? There is another challenge, which is the size of data, right? So when the data is small, right? For example, we are just checking for the customer data profile data, right? For recommendation system, we just need to check a few dimensions around it, right? Or few small fields. So to at the side. So when I talk about entity is like a table, right? And dimension is like the columns, right? In the table. So when those entity grows rapidly, right? Suppose we have hundreds of entity, and those entity can have hundreds or tens of dimension, right? And that grows to a number of thousands, right? To prepare validation rules, to do profiling for each of them, right? It is very tedious task. And when you have such monotonous tasks that you have to do again and again, it is error prone, right? And that's where AI ML can help us, right? So they can automate those monotonous tasks for us. They can actually enhance the coverage for us, right? And that's why we are actually keen to involve AI ML in the data quality testing.